So here we have our first question. A jar contains 5 sweets. Bada has 10 jars. So we've got 10 jars there. How many sweets altogether? So we've got 5. We've got to imagine these jars as a group. Each group has 5 sweets in. We've got 10 groups. So if we're counting 5, so we've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. How many sweets altogether? 50. If we were to do the same as yesterday and work through and write as many number sentences as possible for that, then we would have 10 times 5, because we've got 10 groups of 5 equals 50. We can swap those around, and so then we've got 5 groups of 10, which is also equals 50. And then if we do repeated addition, I've got 10 lots of 5 and 5 lots of 10. Okay, so we've got 4 number sentences there. Here we have another question. Jake has 5 pairs of shoes. How many shoes does Jake have altogether? So we've got 5 groups of 2. And if we count in twos, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We've got 5 groups of 2, so we can have 5 groups of 2 equals 10. Swap them around, 2 times 5 equals 10. Or we can have 5 and 5 plus 10, because we've got 2 groups of 5, or 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 10. So we've got 5 groups of 2. Okay.